Right, good morning grade 2s. We're going to have some doubling fun. Now remember, doubling is when we add the same number to itself. So we've got one sucker and we add one more sucker and together it gives us two suckers. Right, let's double the number 10. You're going to hold up one finger on one hand. Now remember, we're counting in tens. We're going to add another 10. So we're going to hold up another finger on our opposite hand and add 10 more. Let's count in tens. Look at how many fingers are up. 10, 20. So now we're going to look at the double sum for 10. We've got 10 plus another 10. Let's count in tens. 10 plus 10 more makes 20. So double 10 is 20. Say it with me. Double 10 is 20. Now we're going to double 20. Hold up two fingers on one hand. We're going to add another 20. So hold up two more fingers on your opposite hand. Now we're going to add all the tens together. Remember, we're counting in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's look at the double sum. 20 plus 20. We've got 20, it's made up of 10 plus another 10, and we add 20 more. So we're going to count the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So now we know double 20 is 40. Say it with me. Double 20 is 40. Let's double 30. Hold up three fingers. Add three more fingers because we're going to add another 30. Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Are you remembering to hold up your fingers as you count? So we added another 30. 30 is 60. Right, let's look at the 30 sum. 30 plus another 30 is made up of 10, 20, 30 plus another 30. Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Double 30 is 60. Let's double 40. Hold up four fingers. Hold up four more fingers because we're adding the same amount. And let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We added another 40. So we added the same number again. Let's look at the double sum. Double 40 is 40 plus another 40. Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now we know that double 40 is 80. Say it with me. Double 40 is 80. Let's double 50. Hold up 5 fingers. Add 5 more fingers on the other hand. We added another 50. Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. we added another 50. Let's look at the double sum for 50. 50 plus another 50. Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Double 50 is 100. Say it with me. Double 50 is 100. Now we're going to double 60, but we're going to run out of fingers. So there's a trick we're going to learn. We're going to hold up 60 using our fingers and then hide it away. And then we're going to count on 60 more. Are you ready? Hold up 60, 6 fingers. And remember, we're going to count in tens. We've got 60, and we're going to add on 60 more. Keep 60 in your head. Are you ready? Let's count on from 60. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Double 60 is 120. Let's look at the double sum. 60 plus another 60. Now remember, you've got to keep 60 in your head. Are you ready? 60 in your head, and we're going to count on 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Double 60 is 120. Let's double 70. Keep 70 in your head, and we're going to count on 70 more. Are you ready? Hold up your 7 fingers. Keep 70 in your head. Let's count on 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Double 70 is 140. Let's look at the double sum. 70 plus 70. Remember, you're going to keep 70 in your head, and we're going to count on from 70. Let's go. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Double 70 is 140. Let's double 80. Remember, we keep 80 in our head, we hide it away in our head, and we count on 80 more. Keep 80 in your head, hide it away, and let's add on 80 more. So we're counting on from 80. Let's go. 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. So double 80 is 160. Let's look at the double sum. 80 plus 80. Keep 80 in your head, hide it away, and let's count on. 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. Double 80 is 160. Let's double 90. Keep 90 in your head, hide it away, and let's add on 90 more. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 180 is double 90. Let's look at the double sum. 90 plus 90. Keep 90 in your head, and we're going to count on from 90. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Double 90 is 180. Let's double 100. Keep 100 in your head, hide it away, let's count on. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Double 100 is 200. 10 groups of 10 equals 100. Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We counted in tens 10 times. And one group of 100 looks like this. So we stick all the blocks together. Now we're going to double 100. So we have 100 blocks and we're going to add 100 more. Can you guess what the answer is? 100 plus 100 is 200. You're right. Let's double 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 10 plus 10 is 20. Now, do you see the pattern? 2, 20. Double 2 is 4. Double 20 is 40. Do you see the pattern? 4, 40. Double 3, 6. Double 30 is 60. Do you see the pattern again? 6, 60. Double 4 is 8. Double 40 is 80. Do you see the pattern? 8, 80. Double 5 is 10. Double 50 is 100. What is the pattern? 10, 100. Double 6 is 12. Double 60 is 120. Do you see the pattern? 12, 120. What changed? What pattern do you see? We add a nought. Have a look at the next double sums and see if you can spot the pattern.